Francesco Bagnaia fights back to lead Friday practice for the 2024 San Marino Motogp at Misano. The reigning world champion arrived at his home event sore from Sunday's Aragon accident and trailing Jorge Martin by 23 points in the World Championship. But after an 8th place this morning, the factory Ducati star shot to the top in the closing minutes of the afternoon hour. Aragon winner Marquez was second in both sessions, with defending Misano winner Martin in third. Fellow GP24 riders Franco Morbidelli and Enea Bastianini completed the top 5, with gas rider Pedro Acosta the leading non-Ducati. Alex Espargaro's top 10 chances ended with a late accident, while Brad Binder also missed the top 10 cut for direct qualifying 2 access and will need to fight through Saturday's qualifying 1. Martin will start Saturday's sprint race 23 points ahead of Bagnaia and 70 clear of Marquez. Acosta, Marquez, Bagnaia, and Martin were quickest as fresh tires were fitted for the final quarter of the hour. The gas rookie, who regained his mojo after switching to older RC16 settings at Aragon, then retaliated when Bastianini briefly moved ahead. But the 20-year-old later crashed from his RC16 at turn 8, as Marquez put the local Brezzanai team back in charge. Martin made his move with 6 minutes to go, but Bagnaia responded on his penultimate lap. Yamaha's Fabio Quartararo, an impressive 5th this morning, lost some swing arm aero attachments early in the afternoon. But the Frenchman remained in the top 5 until the time attacks end, while he feared a repeat of his disaster on new rubber in testing, still sealed 9th for a place in qualifying 2. Repsol Honda's Joan Mir missed today's track action, due to continued intense gastroenteritis. Pol Espargaro is making his 3rd race weekend appearance of the season for KTM, with HRC test rider Stefan Bradl also entered as a wild card this weekend.